Hey everyone, welcome to Coding Simplified, and today we'll see a new problem. So basically the problem is that we are given a number. We need to find that whether this number is happy number or not, right? Now what's the definition of happy number? So the definition of happy number is that if sum of the square of each number, if it leads to 1, then this is a happy number. So now if you see this example, in this example, now what we are saying, we have 19. So we want to check that whether the 19 is happy number or not. So what we are saying, that sum of the square of each number, right? So the square of 1 is 1, the square of 9 is 81, and now sum. So what is the sum? Sum is 82. So you need to understand this point first of all. What we are trying to say, sum of square of each number. So square of each number, right? So we have two number here, so we'll do square of each number and then we'll do sum. Now we'll check that whether it is leading to 1 or not. So like till now we don't have. Now we don't stop here, we go again further. So when we go again further, now the square of 8 is 64 and the square of 2 is 4, and the sum is giving 68. So again this is still not 1. Now check further. So square of 6 is 36 and square of 8 is 64. Now what is sum? Sum is 100, means 100. Now again check the sum of square of each number. So the square of each number is, the square of 1 is 1, then 0, then 0. So it is leading to 1, right? So if it is leading to 1, so now we can say that the 19 is happy number, because if we keep on going, so at once we'll get 1. Now let's say if I again do square of this number, so again the square of 1 is 1. So basically even if we do multiple times, the sum of the square of the 1 will always be 1, right? So now this is the happy number. Now let's take one more example. Let's say this 25. The same thing we'll do here. Like we did here, we'll do the same thing here. That will basically calculate the sum of square of each number, and we'll check that whether we'll get 1 or not at the last. So like here, the sum of the square of 2 is 4, square of 5 is 25, so the sum is 29. So again this is not 1. Again check, the square of 2 is 4, the square of 99 is 81, 85. Again this is not 1. Now square of 8 is 64, square of 5 is 25, this is making 89. Now again check further, the square of 8 is 64, the square of 9 is 81, so this is making 145. Again check further, the square of 1 is 1, square of 4 is 16, and square of 5 is 25. So again this is not making 1. Check further, now it is 16, this is 4, this is making 20. Now check further, so this is square of 2 is 4, square of 0 is 0, so it is making 4. Now square of 4 is 16, square of 1 is 1, 6 and 36, so it is making 37. The square of 9 is 9, square of 7 is 49, so it is making 58. And now you check further that here we have in square of 5 is 25, square of 8 is 64. Now what is this making? This is making 89, right? And now the same process will be keep on going. Then it will go further, then it will go, and the same it will keep on going in the loop, right? So now in this case we are not getting 1. We will never get 1, because it will keep on going in the loop, right? So 25 is not a happy number and this 19 is a happy number. So if you observe, like if you have solved the question linked list, like you are given a linked list, and check whether this linked list has loop or not, right? So that's a very famous question. So if you see here is kind of, it's making something like this, that we are keep on doing that, and then it is creating a loop. Now in case of happy number, it is creating a loop, it is creating a one loop, because now we have 1, so it will keep on going here. But now in this case it is also 1, but the loop is only of the one number, right? And in this case the loop is not of one number, it will keep on going here. So using the same concept we will solve this question. What we will do, we will take two pointer. We'll take one slow pointer and we'll take one fast pointer, and we'll keep on checking them. And so there will be one. So what we'll do, that slow will move by 1 position and fast will move by 2 position. So if there is a loop, then they will basically meet at 1 point. Now in happy number also they will meet at 1 point, and in in not happy number they will also meet at 1 point, but the difference will be that in happy number they will meet at 1, and in not happy number they will not meet at 1, right? So this is how we'll check. So what I mean to say, that let's say here is my slow number and here is my fast. So at the starting both will be pointing to the first number. So first of all check with the first example. Here we have 19 and here we have 19. So both are pointing to, this is also pointing to first number, this is pointing to first number. Now slow will move by 1 position and fast will move by 2 position. So what will happen, that will get the square of this number. So the square of this number is 82. So slow will move to the 82 and fast will move to the 2. So now first of all we'll get the square of the 19, which is 82, and then again we'll calculate that, again get this square of this number. So now 82 is pointing to this one. So basically that rather than this one, fast will basically directly move to here 68, because it will jump by 2 position, right? So what will happen, that slow move to the 1 position 82 and fast will move to 2 position. So now it will be 68. Again slow will move by 1 position, so slow will move to 1 position 68, because from here to here it will move. Slow will move from here to here, here to here. Now fast will move by 2 position, so fast will move by 2 position means here. So now it will reach at 1. Now again slow will move by 1 position, so it will be 100, and fast will move by 2 position. So even if it move by 2 position, the 1 then 2, again it will reach to 1. Then slow again will move to 1 position, it is 1, and fast will again move to 1 position. So again it will move to 2 position here and here, so again it will reach here at 1. So now slow and fast are equal, right? And they are equal at 1. So it means we can say that it is happy number, right? Now let's see in the second case, that in the second case the same thing you will check, and then you will get to know that how it will behave. So now here also let's take slow, and here also let's take false. Now at the starting, slow is here and fast is here. So slow will move by 1 position and fast will move by 2 positions. So what will happen, at the starting they are both at 25. Now slow will move to 29 and fast will move by 2 positions. So fast will move by 85. Why? Because slow will move here and fast will move by 2 position here. So how will get 2 position? That's very easy, because first of all we'll get the square by 1 position, then we'll again send the square of this one and we'll get this 85, right? So now they are not equal, again we'll go further. Now slow will move to 85 and fast will move to 145. Why 145? Why? Because it will jump to 2 position, 89 and 145. Now slow will move to 89 and fast will move to 2 positions, so it will move to 42 then 20. Now again slow will move to 1 position 145 and fast will move to 2 positions, so 2 position means 4 and 16. Now again slow will move to 1 position 42 and fast will move to 2 positions, so 16 to 58, because this is 1 position, this is second position. Now slow will move to 1 position 20 and fast will move to 89 and 145, because now it is in loop. So with 58 it will move to 89 and 89 to 145, so it will move by 2 position. Now here it will slow will move by 1 position 4 and fast will move by 2 positions, so now it will be move to here and here, so it will be 20. Now slow will move by 1 position, so it will move to 16, and now fast, so fast will move by 2 positions, so now it is at 20, so it will move to, this is 1 position and this is second position. So now if you see, both are pointing to the same point, and if both slow and fast pointer are at 1 position, so we'll say that there is a loop, right? Now at what point the loop is at 16. It means the loop is not on 1. So we can directly check that if loop is not on 1, it means this is not a happy number, right? So this is the logic to solve this question, that because what we want the sum of the square of each number, and we want to check that whether there is a loop or not. So to solve this question we took 2 pointers, one is slow pointer and one is fast pointer. So we'll jump fast pointer by 2 position and we'll jump by slower by 1 position. So they will make at 1 position because there is a loop. So in happy number also there is a loop, but the difference is the loop is at 1. So in happy number the loop will meet at 1, and non-happy number the loop will not meet at 1. So that's the difference in the happy number and not happy number. And now let me show you the code so that you can get it better. So here we are passing a number that it is a happy number or not. So we basically executed two numbers. So the first number was 19 and second number is 25. So this is, let's write it 19 and this is 25. So now here is my function if happy number. So where I'm passing the value and I'm taking the 2. So now rather than first, let's take it slow. So that, and here also let's make it fast. So now we are at the starting. Slow and fast are both pointing to the value which we are passing. Now using the slow we are getting the next value. So what is the next value? Next value is basically the sum of the square of each number, right? So we have a function here, get next value. So what we are doing at the starting, my value is, let's say whatever value is, let's say 25. So my aim is that I should get 4 plus 25 because the square of 2 is 4 and the square of 5 is 45. So what I will do, that I will do it until value is greater than 0. Now first of all I will get the remainder of 10. So in the 25 it will give me 5 because the remainder of 10 is 5, right? So now it will give me 5. Now I will do, at the starting my square is 0. So I will say square plus t cross t multiplied by t. So t is 5. So it will give me the square of the last number. So here is square of 25. So it will add into a square, and now I will divide value by 10. So earlier my value was 25. So it will say 25 by 10. So it will be equal to 2, right? So it will again go, and now 2 is greater than 0. So again it will say, now what is the value remainder by 10? So 2 remainder by 10 is 2, right? So now it will be 2. So earlier my square was 25. Now it will say 2 multiplied by 2. So it will give me 4. So it means 25 plus 4, which is 29, right? So this is how we'll get the square of each number in a particular value, right? And after that we'll return the square. So for the slow we know because it will move by one position, so that is why we are doing only once. Now for the fast, because we know that fast will move by two position. So first of all I'm getting the get next value, and then again I'm calling the function get next value. So what it will do, it will basically jump by two position, right? And now we'll basically operate this until slow is not equal to fast. Now whenever slow is equal to fast, so we know in both the position it will meet at one point, because we have loop in both the position. But the difference is that if the slow is equals to 1, it means this is meeting at happy number. So if it is happy number, so it will return true, otherwise it will return false, right? So this is how we can calculate that whether a given number is happy number or not, right? So that's it guys about this problem, and if you have any doubts then please write in the comment section. I will try to explain that, and I will also put the source code into description section, so if you want then you can also get it from there. So thanks, and if you have liked the video then please like it and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.